Hi, I'm going to go over the basics of scanning an image for the first assignment. The first thing that you'll want to do is open up an application called Image Capture, and you'll find that on your Macintosh computer. It'll be in the Applications folder, in the Utilities folder, and it's called, again, Image Capture. When you open up Image Capture, a list of devices that are connected to that computer should show up. So what this means is that you will need to be in the classroom at a workstation that's directly connected to the scanner. So you can't scan from any computer in the room. You have to be at a scanner where the cord from the scanner is going directly into a computer. If that's the case, then you should see next to, or rather beneath devices, the Epson 750, Epson 700, or Epson 500. It just depends on what scanner you're scanning from. Once that's the case, you want to place your document image, whatever it is you're going to scan, on the scanner, close the lid, and then make a series of selections. The scan mode you want to set is flatbed. The kind of scan you want to make is a color scan. How many colors? Not millions, but billions. In our case, we want to set the resolution to 360 dpi. You can keep Use Custom Size checked. That will allow you to select an image that's smaller than the flatbed. I'm going to scan to the desktop so it's easy for me to get at. The item that I'm scanning is actually directions for a kitty toy. So I'm going to name my image Kitty Toy. The format that we're going to use in this case is not PDF. We want to choose TIFF. So when we finish our scan, we should end up with a file called kittytoy.tiff on the desktop. I'm going to leave image correction, unsharp mask, all these other things set to none for now. We'll talk more about them later on in the semester. From here I can do an overview scan, and this is just going to give me a low resolution preview of what my final scan will look like. From here I can select the amount of the image that I want to scan. I can move that marquee around, so if I messed up my selection, I can select a selection and hit delete to get rid of it, and then I'm just clicking and dragging to make a new selection. I didn't lay this item perfectly parallel with the edges and bottom of the scanner, so I can actually, if I put my cursor in the middle of the selection, click on this little handle here and turn the selection so it's more in line with the item, and then I'm just going to move in the marquee a little bit so I'm not scanning more than I need to. So once that's done, I can go ahead and click Scan. And the scanner is going to go through the process of making the scan and then outputting the image, which again in this case will be kittytoy.tiff. And once that's done, we should see it on our desktop. And that's all you'll need to know for now. I'll see you next class.